Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Thursday, May 16th, and I'm going to be analyzing the pound US dollar, starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. So on the pound dollar, I'm definitely still very bullish. I still think this needs to go up and complete a wave C, which is most likely an expanding flat, which would bring us all the way up to most likely one of these two Fibonacci extension levels, or possibly it's a running flat wave C, which would possibly bring us down to one of these lower fib levels. Either way, I think it's going to lead to a pretty nice uptrend. So heading down to the weekly time frame, I definitely think the correction is over. I think that this is a running flat wave 2 right here in the middle. That makes this right here a wave 1. That would make this a wave 2. I think that would also make this a wave 3. Like I said, just like on the monthly time frame, I think we're in either an expanding flat wave C or a running flat wave C. So probably we're in the wave 3 of that either expanding or running flat already. Heading down to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, to me, it definitely looks like a complete pattern. It looks like this big uptrend is a 1. I think this is a big ABC of 2. Nice 61.8% fib bounce. Looks to me like this is a 1, probably a 2, and we're probably in a wave 3. Most wave 3s do end around the high of wave or most wave 1s actually, because this would be a wave 1 of 3. So most wave 1s do end around the high of wave B. So I definitely think there's a decent amount of upside potential. I think it's going to make a wave 1, probably make a corrective wave 2, and then eventually go back up and make a wave 3 to complete that pattern I was showing on the much higher time frames. Heading down to the 4 hour time frame, I got my Fibonacci extension on this move right here, which is the wave 1, projected out the bottom of what I believe is a wave 2, so 1, 2, and wave 3. Most likely place for wave 3 to go is the 161.8, which is a lot higher than where we are now. We're not even to the 100% yet. So I am definitely looking for longs. I'm looking for pullback entries to go long for the continuation of this uptrend. So taking it down to the 1 hour time frame. On the 1 hour time frame, I have my Fibonacci retracement on the last little push up, the last series of higher highs, higher lows. I would expect to see at least a 23, maybe a 38% pullback. 38% seems pretty likely, especially with this little rally-based rally area right there. So I would personally like to wait patiently for a nice little three-way pullback, nice little A, B, and C shape. If I see that nice ABC shape down to one of these Fibonacci retracement levels, which really it could be any one of them, then I see a nice big engulfing move to the upside, especially if I can identify the end of a trend by identifying the break of structure for the wave C itself, then that is going to make for a really nice long opportunity for what I think is going to be the continuation of the uptrend. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked down here in the corner. And don't forget to check out my membership program that gives you access to all the daily live trading sessions. And it gives you access to all my swing trade setups that I share with the group at the time of entry by signing up at my website, fxpipcollector.com. As always, thank you and happy trading.